A few days ago, while browsing through YouTube, I came across a new video showcasing a free indicator that claims to predict market reversals before they happen, and naturally that caught my attention. But instead of testing it alone, I thought, why not turn this into a full episode and analyze it together with my subscribers? And so today we are going to explore how this indicator works, build a custom trading bot to automate its signals, and test over 2000 reversal setups to see the actual results. And finally, we'll decide, is this tool really useful or just another overhyped indicator? I'm a TP and let's find out. So first of all, let's open up TradingView and search for this indicator. It's called Linear Regression Channel by ChartPrime and it's completely free. If we visit the official TradingView page from ChartPrime, they describe this indicator as a tool designed to help traders visualize price trends and potential reversal points. Once added to the chart, here's what you will see. A middle linear regression channel showing trend direction, two outside bands showing overbought and oversold zones, and optional visual tools like colored candles, reversal diamonds, and future forecast arrows. Let me explain what each element means quickly. The linear regression channel is a trend-following channel based on price regression over time. It helps you visualize the major market direction. The outside bands are deviation bands. When price hits them, it may indicate a stretch, either overbought on the top or oversold on the bottom. Next, the reversal diamonds. When price breaks out of the bands and then a diamond appears, that's supposed to be a signal for a likely mean reversion. Blue diamonds indicate a bullish setup, and red diamonds a possible bearish trade. Then you can also notice the bar coloring. Candles change color depending on position within the bands, giving a heat map style visual confirmation. And finally, we have the projection arrows. These point to where the price might go next based on the current slope. You can customize most of these inputs in the settings, including the length, deviation, and whether the arrows and diamonds appear. But of course, that is just how it should work. The real question is, does it actually deliver strong results in live market conditions? In the initial video I watched, they showed some perfect examples, where a blue reversal diamond appears and price immediately bounces upwards, or a red diamond pops up and price just drops. It looks like magic. But that's the problem, it's only a few hand-picked examples. But what I really want to know is if this logic works consistently. And for that, we are going to build together a custom trading bot that automates all the reversal signals given by this indicator and runs through every single one of them. To do this, I will be using the same framework I shared in my video about building a PineScript trading bot. If you haven't seen that tutorial yet, it's already on the channel, and it walks you step by step through the coding process on PineScript, easy and simple. And so here's my plan. We'll use the linear regression channel as our trigger and define entry rules based on the diamond signals. Then, for the stop losses, I will use the last swing low for long positions and the last swing high for short trades. And for the take profits, I will keep it simple, with a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward level. So let me quickly create the bot in PineScript and I'll be right back to show you the proven results. Alright, the bot is now coded and running, and as you can see on the chart, it's entering long positions every time a blue diamond appears, with the stop loss set just below the last swing low and the take profit placed at the 1 to 1.5 level. And for short trades, the logic is the same. Whenever a red diamond pops up, it enters a short, using the last swing high as stop loss. Now let's open the strategy tester and analyze the results, starting with Bitcoin on the 30-minute time frame. As you can see, after more than 400 trades, we have a win rate of 42%, a total profit of about 20%, and a profit factor slightly above 1. So yes, it's technically profitable, but nothing impressive. Let's move up to the 1-hour chart. Here the results are pretty similar, win rate still around the low 40s and profit factor again just above break-even. Now let's drop down to a 5-minute time frame, and yeah, not looking great. The strategy actually turns negative, which might be expected due to the higher noise in lower time frames. But to double check, let's test the same logic on another high volume asset, the Euro-USD Forex pair. On the 30-minute chart, the strategy remains weak, win rate around 41%. Then, if we go up to the 1-hour chart, it actually becomes unprofitable. And in the 5-minute one, the results are even worse. So, is this indicator worth using as a reversal tool? In my opinion, while the logic makes sense in theory, the actual results suggest it might not be as reliable as expected. It's visually appealing, yes, but as a standalone reversal signal, I wouldn't trust it blindly. However, there is good news. There is another indicator I've been testing behind the scenes, the Linear Regression Slope Histogram, this one here. It works on a very similar logic, but instead of signaling reversals based on breakouts, it analyzes momentum shifts and slope direction. And guess what? The results are much more promising. And so, in the next episode, I will break it all down and show whether this lesser known tool is actually a better way to catch reversals. In the meantime, if you would like to run your own analysis or test similar indicators with real data, you can do it using our indicators testing bot. It already includes over 100 indicators with support for triggers, filters, volume, exit rules, baselines, risk management setups, custom data ranges, and full backtest reports. It's one of the most complete and robust tools available for strategy testing, and it's already being used by over 250 traders around the world, including live trading and prop firm challenges. For more information, check out the link in the description or visit algotradepro.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode where I will cover the linear regression slope histogram and show you the real results. And that's it. Stay sharp, trade smart, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.